YouTube, back at you again with another video. Looking like Wolverine right now. Okay, so today, real quick video, maybe 2 minutes long, no more. And it's about installing the ASV levers. And somebody messaged me and saying, how do they get the brake light? Because there's a massive delay on the brake side. All right, so basically what you gotta do once you install the ASV levers, you have to come to the very bottom, and then there's this screw right here. I don't know if you can see it, but this screw right here, and then there's another screw towards the back, which is attached to the lever. You have to add this. If it doesn't come with it, you have to add this, and it gives you a little bit more. And then this screw, you can basically turn this part and adjust that little part where it touches the lever itself. I have mine to the most sensitive. The slightest touch on the lever and it clicks and it brings the brake lights on. Basically because I did not want to buy the rear brake light module that flashes when you hold down the brake pedal. I didn't want that. Basically when I brake, I tap this 3 times and then I hold it every time I brake. But nevertheless, that's basically how I did it. So it's this screw right here. Let me zoom in on this guy. It's basically this screw right here at the very bottom next to this big one. You just loosen this screw and then you can adjust the brake sensor to more loose or further back, because the switch is right inside of that hole. Let me see if I can zoom in on the hole. The switch is inside of that hole right there. You'll see it move. You see it stick out? That's the switch. So you can turn it to bring it out. You can turn it to bring it closer, or you can bracket out to make it further away. But basically it's this screw that you want to focus on.